You're welcome to my channel. Today we are looking at certain common mistakes that we often make that prevents muscle growth and development. Number 10, not focusing on compound exercises. Compound exercises are known to work on different muscle groups. So don't just limit yourself to certain exercises that just work on specific muscle groups. You need to do exercises like squats, which will work on your hamstrings, which will work on your quads, glutes, and then the core, so that you can develop. You can be working on different muscle groups at the same time. It will increase your muscle development. Number 9, too much cardio. You as a bodybuilder or someone who wants to gain muscles, you don't have to be doing cardio all the time. You have to do weight exercises, weighted exercise. So you don't just focus on aerobics or cardio exercises like jumping jacks, walking on the treadmill or running on the treadmill all the time. To use weights to do your exercise so that you can put on weight on the body for development. Cardio will only help you lose weight, and continue to lose weight. Although cardio is good, but then you have to control it, not just doing it all the time. Our number 8 is not allowing enough rest and recovery time. So, not allowing rest and recovery after workout or during workout routine. So, when you're working out on a particular session, you need to allocate rest. Let's say 2 minutes rest, then you continue again 2 minutes rest after every session. It will increase your muscle development, and also you have rest days so that you can make the muscles recover and then grow. Our number 7 on the list is overtraining. You want to build muscles, but you're always putting so much stress on the body. It's not going to happen. You need rest between reps, between sections, days, and all that. You don't just go to the gym and then train like 5 hours in the gym. It's not done that way. You need to limit your workout level. Our number 6 on the list is unrealistic goals. You need to set achievable and measurable goals so that you can achieve them at the end of the day. You don't just see somebody at the gym and then you just want to be like them. No, it's not that way. You need to have a workout plan so that you focus and work ahead of it. You don't just use a 1 month, day or two to build muscles. You need to set achievable and measurable goals that you can achieve. Number 5, exercise form. Some people don't pay attention to exercise form. I mean the posture. Every exercise has a way you should pose, has a way you should put the body, the shape of the body. It matters a lot. So if you are doing any exercise and you don't pay attention to the posture, you end up building different muscles. You're working on different muscles that you are not targeting, which will make the body look some way. The body will not be balanced. So you need to make sure that you use a correct posture so that the body will be informed to enhance muscle development. Number 4, poor sleep. So as a bodybuilder or someone who is working to gain muscles, you need to sleep at least 7 hours in a night. You need to give yourself some time to sleep so that the muscles can grow. When you're working out all the time and you don't sleep, you need to allow the body to rest, sleep, have enough quality of sleep to boost muscle development. Number 3, lack of progressive overload. You do exercise to some time or to some level, then you don't increase the reps, you don't increase the weight, you don't increase the sets. It decreases your exercise, decreases your muscle growth. So you need to increase the workload. You need to challenge yourself. So you don't work out so that if you don't increase your workload or your exercise overload, it will reach a plateau when the body will be adapted to same load. So you need to increase overload so that you can achieve the goal of developing your muscles. And number 2 is inconsistency. You want to build muscles, but you go to the gym once a week, once in 2 weeks. You can even give yourself 1 month, 3 months. Like inconsistency. So you need to be committed. You need to be committed. Give yourself time to come to the gym or go to a fitness environment. Work out so that you can build muscles. Don't skip so many days and expect to build muscles. It's not going to happen. Number 1 on the list is not incorporating variety. Be doing one exercise for some time. One exercise, you don't change exercise form. So you need to practice variety. Do new exercises. Don't just focus on one exercise yet and expect muscle growth. You need to incorporate new exercises to your workout routine so that you can build muscles. Thank you very much for watching.